What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard, Diva, Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back because I want to cover a system that I have been an affiliate for. I just checked my records. This time last year, I got started with this program. Okay, this system will show you how to collect $247 payments. Okay, so I want to go over that with you guys. All right, the link is in the description. You can go check it out. Go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. You'll go straight to my marketing system for this program. All right, let's talk about it real quick here. All right, capture the bonuses and unlimited $247 payments like clockwork. Get paid $247 over and over again with the done for you system to make your life easy. So I want to show you how to receive these type of payments. It comes straight in to your account. See right here, it says 247 M.A.P digital training membership. You too can earn these payments if you take action. All right, so let's check out this system. So what does it include? What does it entail? A complete sales funnel, okay, an affiliate influential capture pages, video sales page, full autoresponder included. Okay, so it's built in. No monthly fees. This is going to be a one-time payment that you're going to invest in this system. All right, we'll talk about that in a second, but one-time payment, no monthly fees. So the autoresponder is built in to help you stay in touch with your contacts. The more they hear from you, the more money you make. Okay, so they have this included in the back office, so connect with your prospects. Then they also have a full back office, guys, a members area. Okay, done for you traffic. They include an 800 number that you can use. It's free, that you can use to market, put on your marketing material, whether it's business cards, postcards, flyers, post on social media. You get an 800 number. Well, we all use it. You earn the unlimited $247 payments. There's no cap on how much you can earn. You're going to be paid directly. The company's not going to pay you. You're going to be paid directly from the person that clicks your link and make the payment. They're going to pay you directly any way you want. You're going to set that up in your back office. This system includes a robust tracking interface to keep tabs on everything, and I'm going to go over there in the back office and show you that. But the first thing you're going to want to do is when you opt in, you're going to watch this video, guys. You're going to read over this website. They've got payment proof on here to show you where lots of members have received payments from the system. There I am on there as well. Okay, that's a snapshot of people that have actually earned with the system. All right, this is a one-page closer. They give you this website that's going to do all the selling and telling. You don't have to explain this stuff to people. You're just going to direct them to your capture page. Okay, they're going to opt in. They're going to get a page like this. They're going to read over it. They're going to see what's included, so they'll know there's no question. What am I getting? Right here, you're getting digital marketing training, digital products. These are instant access they're going to have, okay, at their fingertips. As long as you got a Wi-Fi connection and a smart device, you can get access to your products and get signed up, go through the training. You can run your business right from a smart device. Okay, so you're going to make $247 commissions. Your very first sale, you're going to make $247, right? You're going to put, it's going to be $247. You're going to send to the person that invited you. You're going to send $33 to the company, so that's $280, right? So your very first sale, as they indicate right here, it's a reverse one up. So your very first sale, you're going to pocket your $247 right back. You get it back, right? Your second sale, you're going to pass up to your sponsor. The system is going to do it automatically. You don't have to worry about trying to figure that out. It's automatic. Okay? Then the third sale to infinity, you will keep all those sales. But what's so powerful about this, with a reverse one up, with that second sale pass up, that means everybody you sign up, their second sale is going to come up to you. Okay? So that's passive income profits that you're going to earn effortlessly. Okay? So in actuality and essentially, you're going to be earning $494 per person, because you're going to earn $247 when they sign up. That same person has to pass up their second sale, so that's $494 per person, guys. Okay, this we consider this a low ticket program, but these $247 commissions is nothing to sneeze at. That can add up very quickly. Just a few of those a week, you know, say 5 of those a week, it's over $1,000, right? So the potential of earnings is here if you just put the work in. So you get that, you get paid passively. Okay, so M.A.P, this one page close is going to do the selling for you, as it states right here. 33 to the admin, 247 to the person that invited you guys. Okay, very simple program. It's not complicated. Look at this. If somebody looked at this site, it's not a lot of hoopla, not a lot of Lamborghinis everywhere. To the point, it explains everything there, right? So now let's go to the back office and check it out. Now this is your dashboard, your control panel. This will change every 24 hours, okay? These numbers, every 24 hours, it changes and starts over. Now, once you log in, you're going to see right here, it says your referral link. This is your referral link that you can share with others, okay? The capture page. And as soon as you log in, if you come down, right here, you will also see it says watch this. It's 4 videos right here. You want to watch these 4 videos. Okay, watch all 4 videos to get paid. So now you know what to do. You don't have to try to figure out, well, what should I be doing? When you log in, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Okay? So in actuality, it's just these 3. This is just an extra showing you how to earn more $247 payments. So 3 steps, your system is up and running. You can really be up and running in under 30 minutes. Okay? Just that simple. Now, well, how do I get people to check this out? That may be your next question. Of course, the company is going to give you some resources in your back office. But when you get started with me, I'm also going to share my resources. But not only that, when you get started with me, your first traffic run, I'm going to purchase for you. So you're not going to have to worry about that. Just get started, pay your $247, pay your $33. First traffic run is on me. All right, but I'm going to give you my resources I use. But let's check out what the company is going to give you. So check this out real quick. All right, so you go here and guess what it says? Traffic time, right? Check it out.
Hey, it's James in London. Let's get you some traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood of your business, and you can get as much as you want through M.A.P. On the left menu, click the Get Traffic tab and then click Direct Response Marketing. It's critical that you understand this concept before you start promoting M.A.P. It will detail the differences between paid traffic and free traffic. Also on this tab, you will find solo ads, postcards, labels, drop cards, how to use a bridge page, how to use a rotator, and even an 800 number you can use in your marketing. Next, visit the Resources tab, where you can internalize the 10 core commitments, steal the top earners' secrets, use our follow-up emails to your prospects, learn how to forward a domain, and even understand why some prospects fill out your join form, but don't pay. You will find everything you need in your members area. Setup is not difficult, but it's up to you to follow instructions. I know you can do it, and I wish you the best.
Alright, so he explained to you as well. So again, that's one of those steps that I was speaking of, okay? So let's take a look at that. Okay, see right here to the left, which is what he was speaking of, click Get Traffic. And here's the traffic resources. They speak on social media, solo ads, which is paid advertising, postcards, which they have the templates in the back office here that you can select from if you want to just mail postcards. They have that here. Sales letters. You can buy your labels back here for your postcards. There's the 800 number that you can put on different images or social media or your postcards back here, guys. So they give you the traffic resources, okay? And as I stated, I will share with you mine as well, okay? So you don't have to worry about chasing friends and family down. That's not what we do. We show you how to reach out to people without you calling them. You're going to buy traffic, okay? These people have raised their hand and said they're interested in making money online. So when you purchase traffic, the vendor, you're going to give the vendor your capture page link, and they're going to send over the visitors to your link. Now when you get started with me, I'm going to do a 200 solo ad for everybody that gets started with me, okay? So make sure you reach out to me after you get started. You've made your payment. I'll get notified anyway, but you can just reach out to me and say, hey, I just signed up, and you're going to send me your capture page. So let me show you the choices that you have for as your pages, okay? Now here are the pages that we have to select from, okay? Here's one. Unlimited payments 247. Receive unlimited cash payments deposited directly into your favorite account multiple times per day. This is a good page here. This plug-in automated system will pay you consistently 24/7 even while you sleep. So that's one capture page, okay? Let me show you another one. Okay, right here, this is another one. Discover the #1 system for generating $741 a day. Get paid all day like clockwork. Bank instant cash, no waiting. This is one that I've been using. Unlimited 24/7. Discover a simple system that pays you unlimited times per day. Now this one has a little video audio that plays there. And as you can see right here, fill out the form. So these are high converting capture pages, okay? So you're going to select one of those from the back office, right? You're going to decide which one you want. You're going to copy that URL and you're going to email it to me so that I can pay for your traffic to go out. All right, guys? So if you're looking for an affordable way to learn how to make money online, where you have the training, you have the whole system in place, low ticket, $247 commissions, guys, no monthly fees. This is a great system. Like I said, it's been a year, it's still going, and it still works if you promote the system. The link is in the description. Go check it out. If you have any questions, give me a jingle, but please opt in, watch the videos on the sales page, jot down your questions, and then give me a call. I'd like to talk to you about it. And we're going to also set up a marketing plan for you, okay? I offer one-on-one support, and I am accessible. So if you have any questions, even after you join, you'll be able to contact me with those. All right, guys? Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, guys, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.